So today I'm reviewing a water leak detector. It has a dripping sensor and a leaking sensor, and it's a model WD70X5. It comes with 5 of them, and this is the packaging that comes with it. It's a waterproof, loud, 120 decibel alarm, long battery life, and compact, and portable. So let's open it up and see what's inside. If I can open this, give me a minute. Inside's the user manual, and then individually each alarm is packed. It also comes with batteries and that little plastic thing. I need to see what it is. But here is how they look, one up close. So it's like this. It's really easy. You can click the test, but I'm not gonna put batteries at this moment just in case it's too loud right now. And yeah, so it's like really lightweight as well. And so let's test it out actually. Okay, I just put the batteries and it's actually really loud because when I pressed it down to open it, I accidentally pressed test and it really hurt my ears. But I'll do it real quick. Oh wait, but you heard it. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now I figured out this is supposed to help you take out the battery. So you go here and you push up because once it's easy to like take it off at first without this when I first put the batteries in, but now after I put the batteries it was pretty hard to remove, so I'm glad it comes with a little kit to remove it, and this is how it is. Then you line it up. There's supposed to be a line right here and there's a line right here. You line them up together and it closes.